We want to show you how to get massive reach on LinkedIn, lots and lots of engagement, and lead generation, all from using LinkedIn video.
We're going to show you why it's important. We're going to give you some LinkedIn video hacks that's going to get you more reach. We're going to show you how to secure long-term growth on LinkedIn. And we're going to show you how you can find out who has been watching your videos.
Plus, we'll be showing you a huge no when it comes to posting videos on LinkedIn. And it's not what you think. Imagine scrolling through a dull sea of boring posts from people that you've just completely forgotten about, that you don't even know how you connected with them in the first place. And then all of a sudden, as you're scrolling, boom, a big smiling happy face is staring you right back in the eyes and talking to you.
One of the most powerful things that you can do to stand out and grow relationships is to get your face out there. Like literally take your face, shove it in other people's faces. A big face outing. And with LinkedIn video, you can now do these big face outings like all the time. This one reason alone should be enough to give you the impetus to get started with LinkedIn video. But if it's not enough, here's another.
What's the difference between these two seemingly exact same posts? One has 28 views, no likes, and no comments. The other has 31 likes, 16 comments, and 1,639 views. It's exactly the same video posted on LinkedIn, but one has a significantly higher amount of engagement. Why is that? Well, did you notice that one of those was just a YouTube link, and the other was actually directly or natively uploaded straight to LinkedIn? That's right, previously if you wanted to post a video to LinkedIn, you would have to post a YouTube link, but not anymore. No, you can now natively upload or directly upload your videos straight to LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is giving you huge rewards in its algorithm, in its feeds, in its timelines for this. This means there's a lot of reach and engagement on the table ready for you to take for the first time ever, Andrew. I'm feeling excited about LinkedIn.
I can tell.
I'm way too excited.
Just calm down, alright? Just chill.
You know, no, you chill. I need to sense my tone here, don't I?
And we're seeing so many people who are doing LinkedIn video have huge impact with it, even if the videos aren't particularly that polished. Particularly and regularly, really hard words I cannot say. Regularly and particularly. The beauty of all this extra reach is that you're not just building your brand awareness, but you can also build your connection base on LinkedIn by connecting with people who engage with your video post.
Before we go into giving you some more tips on how to get even more reach and ensure the long-term growth, we want to know in the comments if you've started to use LinkedIn video.
Go on, pop them in the comments right now so we can check out all you LinkedIn video rock stars.
One of the problems that we find is that people often have this flash in the pan moment where they just think, hey, today I'm gonna do a video. And they just randomly, sporadically do a video without any proper thought or planning. If you truly want to build up some momentum with your profile and get new connections and masses of engagement, then you really might want to consider doing a video series. Here's a couple of examples.
One member of Atomic, John Esperian, is notorious on LinkedIn for being relentlessly helpful. And one of the things he does is his video series where he teaches you something really useful in less than 20 seconds. Creating a series like this gives people a reason to connect with you and come back for more. It also gives people a reason to share that video with others, talk about you, and tell people why they should go and follow you or connect with you on LinkedIn.
Another person who does this incredibly well is Janine Coombs, who does a video series on LinkedIn all about marketing myth busting, which really opens people's eyes and makes them clear about their marketing strategy. Now, I don't know about you, Andrew, but I literally can't log into LinkedIn without seeing one of these two people's content because it's so engaging, it's video, and people are loving it. And this is your secret to your long-term growth on LinkedIn, a video series. That's what's gonna get people to connect with you and keep coming back for more and more in the future. Not just the flash in the pan, random LinkedIn video.
Quickly deletes my flash in the pan video. But, word of warning here, this is a big no-no. If LinkedIn is not your main platform, maybe you're trying to grow a YouTube channel or you're trying to grow your Facebook page and you're creating videos for those, then we don't just want you to upload those to LinkedIn for the sake of it. And we know this can be incredibly tempting to do, because if you upload it to LinkedIn and LinkedIn has all of these positives right now, you might see a spike in engagement compared to the other platforms. But all you're really doing is training people to go and watch the videos on LinkedIn rather than the main platform that you are trying to push, whether that's YouTube or Facebook. Saying all of that, it doesn't mean that you can't use LinkedIn videos to promote your Facebook page or to promote your YouTube channel. You just have to be a little bit smarter about it.
Exactly. We would definitely recommend posting little teaser clips or short snippets of your video and posting them on LinkedIn, directing people back to your main platform. So just remember that if you're trying to grow another platform, posting your full video onto LinkedIn is just training people to stay on LinkedIn, and it's not going to help you grow those other platforms.
Another thing you're definitely going to want to do is make sure that you are adding captions to your LinkedIn videos.
There's a staggering amount of people that are browsing through LinkedIn without their sound on. So to capitalize on this huge percentage of people that are browsing LinkedIn without the sound on, we need to engage them with captions.
We're big advocates of using rev.com for your captions. It only costs $1 a minute to get that subtitles file. And if you use our link below, you can get your first 10 minutes for free. Rev will give you what is called an SRT file, which is basically just a file that contains your captions. And then as you're uploading that video to LinkedIn, all you want to do is hit the pen icon in the top right hand corner, and that is where you can add your subtitles file.
So make sure you check out the link below in the description for your handy link to give you $10 off using Rev. It's seriously going to help you get more reach and engagement on your LinkedIn videos.
Now we're going to tell you how to find out who has been watching your videos. But first, if you're enjoying this, then please do subscribe to this channel. We create videos like this every single week. But go on, Pete. Give it to them.
If you click on the view counts number once you've posted your video, you can see which companies have been checking you out. So you can get a real sense of whether your videos are hitting the mark and engaging with the right types of companies. And it'll enable you to give you an excuse to go and follow up. And this is the beauty of LinkedIn. It's a business platform. You don't need to have huge amounts of views on your videos because every single one of them should be extremely valuable.
So if LinkedIn is your thing, then we have another video over there that is an all-in-one LinkedIn strategy that you can use. So please do go and check that out.
He's been Andrew, I've been Pete. See you next time.
Bye.